On the occasion of Ram Navami, Prime Minister will visit Tamil Nadu and inaugurate the new Pamban Rail Bridge, which will connect Rameshwaram with the mainland, after which he will also inaugurate India's first vertical lift sea bridge, the new Pamban Rail Bridge and flag off a train and a ship from the road bridge. He is also scheduled to visit and worship at the Ramnatha Swami temple in Rameswaram and lay the foundation stone of various rail and road projects costing 8,300 crore across the state and also address a public meeting. Let's go across to my colleague Anushka. Thank you so much for getting us all those details. Of course, continuously getting us the special features of the Pamban Bridge. What else do we have? Has Prime Minister Modi arrived, and when can we expect the inauguration to begin?
That's right, we're currently at the Mandapam railway station. Let me show you the visuals of the train that will be running on the Pamban Bridge today. This is the same train that will be going over the Pamban Bridge. This is a beautifully decorated train. It will be, the Pamban Bridge today will be inaugurated by the Prime Minister. We're showing you the visuals of lots and lots of little children. School children are in fact sitting inside the train. We'll try to get you some voices from inside also. What's your name, ma'am?
Sir, ma'am, my name is Hasi Bharati. I'm studying 5th standard. I'm coming from SRWWS school.
So today you're sitting on a train. This train is going to run on the tracks of Pamban Bridge. What do you know about the significance?
Yes, I think it will help all the people in going and crossing through Pamban Bridge and our motherland India.
So how do you feel sitting inside the train today?
I feel very eager to sit inside the train because it's very important. Even Prime Minister is coming to see the Pamban Bridge.
So we are getting you the voices of the little children who are right now sitting inside the rail, train that will be running on the tracks of the Pamban Bridge. This is the whole visual of the train that will be in fact going inside this whole train. The Prime Minister will be inaugurating, the whole Pamban Bridge today. We are also getting you the voice of the EDPI of Railways, Mr. Dilip Kumar. Let me just go straight to him also. Sir, it's a big day for India today, not just India but also for Tamil Nadu also. So what do you have to say? This train is going to be running on the tracks of Pamban Bridge.
Definitely, it's a big day for all of us and a big day for all the Indians, including the people of the Tamil Nadu, when we are going to dedicate the new Pamban Bridge to the nation. Honorable Prime Minister will dedicate it, and a new train service will also be started from today. Other than that, the train services which was terminated at the Mandapam because of the technical reason earlier, now all the trains will be planned by the railway to be taken to Rameshwaram. So lakhs of the people who are coming to this area and they are visiting the temple, they will get benefited and they will have the better facilities in this area.
It's a big feat for the Indian Railways. We are seeing this is the first of a kind bridge. What do you have to say about that?
Of course, our engineers have done a wonderful job and they have constructed this made in India vertical lift bridge, and this feature, first time this feature has been developed, and the design of this bridge has been developed by the IIT Chennai, IIT Bombay and our engineers of Railway Vikas Nigam Limited. Of course, Indian Railway engineers have also played a very crucial role in developing the design and then implementing the bridge.
Thank you so much for talking to us, sir. So this was the EDPI of Indian Railways, the railway board that we just spoke to. We'll also show you some more visuals of the Indian flag hanging just outside the windows of the train that will be running on the tracks of the Pamban Bridge today. This whole train, several of the people are sitting inside. They will be taking part in the inauguration. Today, the Prime Minister will be in fact dedicating this whole Pamban Bridge to the people of Tamil Nadu and also to the whole of India, because we are seeing Rameshwaram has a big value, big impact in our nation, in our culture. It is related to, Lord Sri Ram, and also today is Ram Navami, a very auspicious day, not just for the people, in India, but also the people of Tamil Nadu. We are showing you the visuals of the train that will be, in fact, running on the tracks of the Pamban Bridge, and this is what the visual looks like. This is a fully decorated train. Around 12:30 p.m. this train will leave from Mandapam towards Pamban Pamban Bridge, and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be in fact dedicating that bridge to the nation. After that, he will be visiting the Ramnath Swami temple, and after that he will be addressing a public rally today. Big day for Tamil Nadu, because today the Prime Minister will also be laying foundation for the project of around 8,300 crores of rupees. All the children, all the excited faces that we can see here, they're all going to be a part of this historical day, because Pamban Bridge is an engineering marvel, a one-of-its-kind bridge. First vertical lift sea bridge that is 2.08 kilometer long, and not just that, it has been made with all the modern techniques, all the techniques which will in fact take a place for the longevity of the bridge. And this is what the whole area looks like. This is the Mandapam railway station. From here this whole train will go to, and remember, when the old bridge was in fact closed in 2022, this was the last railway station which used to come here for people to for the people who were going to visit Rameshwaram.